And rice. More rice. Let's only go 3.
No, I got only 2.
Why? You don't have enough money?
Because you don't want to eat more rice, right? Because you have fish and chips.
Wait.
Where are you going?
Please. They eat the fried fish. I miss you. I miss you. Ooh. Wow. Wow. Wow.
It's okay.
One hundred. That's all.
It's okay.
3, 2. Dad, you get the broccoli.
You don't like broccoli?
No, what is good for you? I don't want.
Why?
I don't want.
Because
Wait, I want some on your pasta.
you eat it. Come. Is it hot? May I have some? It's really fish.
Oh.
I think it's dory fish.
Don't disrespect Dory.
One.
Nemo can find his father.
Oh.
I don't know, I forgot.
How's the cinnamon? And how's the cinnamon?
Really good. I think I regret buying the cinnamon
Why?
because it's a little bit blueberry. I don't like blueberry. Rita,
E1.
I need to get this.
You wanna get 1 spoon? Or here, Dora?
She's not here because my sister's not here because she's with her friends.
Yeah, Ate is not here. Ate ate already.
Daddy and me are stealing mommy's food.
You want some rice? Ma, you have. You must have it a little. Just a little, okay? Are you okay with that?
What's this?
Chicken. It's big. Yeah, it's just like this one. You just put it in there. Nom 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 nom. Daddy. Why?
Good.
It's good?
Really juicy.
I think we haven't been here for a month. Month or 2 months, I guess.
Because we didn't have money. Yeah, because you have spoon out there. I want to put this one with this one. you lick it? I try the hot dog.
It's just the same hot dog. I mean, the usual one. The one that we buy downstairs.
Not downstairs.
Where?
Like the one
Why?
that I won.
Where the cinnamon is like this. It's a bit hard.
It's hard.
It's good. It's good. It's good. But
Look at daddy.
one.
Look at
Do you really like fish? You want more rice? Sure. You just eat the pasta, don't you?
Is that money?
Of course. Why?
I wanna go buy the gummies downstairs.
Which where? Why we're going to the supermarket? We're gonna buy something. Or we don't. It's okay. Tito Aso is calling daddy already. Daddy, you call Aster na? I think Aster is calling you. Aster. Hindi mo sunod. We're just going to pick up Crystal. Then we're gonna go home.
Only post this on YouTube, not Facebook.
Why? Alam, Ben, nandito pa kami sa labas. Pauwi pa lang.
Kumain na kayo dyan?
Yeah. Kape, pupunta ka ba?
Okay.
Ah,
Dito na kami sa
okay. Kinukuha namin si Crystal sa Mega Bang na. Nandito kasi siya sa Mega Bang na kaya kinuha na namin siya.
Sino sir?
Crystal.
Ay,
Ay, hindi mo pupuntahan daddy mo?
okay lang ba?
Hindi, ibig ko sabihin, hindi mo. Tinatanungan niya kung anong ulam ko kasi nasa 7-Eleven siya. Wait,
This is only for 38 baht and for refill, how much?
yeah, that's 39 baht. It's refill already.
Refill is free?
Yeah. Refill it means say you get
You
anything.
need to come here really, really often. Because refill is free, not like other stores.
Yeah. So you can drink as much as you want for only 39 baht.
I'm talking to you because I'm happy.
Done.
I'm happy I have cinnamon bun. I never tried it before. I know it's yucky, but I give it a 7.
What about the fish and chips?
Wow.
The fish and chips.
Wow.
Like it? I don't like that anymore. There is another chicken in there. I don't like anymore. Wow, look at daddy. Look at daddy.
Chef's kiss so much. my friend or anyone here, I'm gonna do
Do what?
10 push-ups. I can't even do one. I can't even do only one.
You want more pasta? Let's see.
Wait, I want to try.
You try it.
Give me all of them.
Really?
My tummy's gonna explode. Wait.
Oh, what about your spring roll?
Yeah, wait.
Can you still have here the chocolates? Ah. I got a hiccup.
We need water. Want to color?
Color what?
Yeah. Tell me for how much?
Which one? I don't know.
But I want to drop.
It's only for the baby.
Baby, I'm a baby.
That I don't know.
I'm 6 now. I'm 6.
Huh?
9 upside down.
9 upset.
As some of you guys don't know, I'm 9. I'm not 10. I'm P4. But I'm 9.
You eat your spring roll.
I have 2 things to finish.
Yeah, this one, chocolate one. You see, I'm finishing the cinnamon. You want some? If Ate is here, at least she can help us, right?
Yeah. They can have the cinnamon thing. You can have my chicken. You can have my spring roll. You can have my fries. You can have my fish. You can have your pasta. You can have daddy's chicken bone. I don't like the smell of the cinnamon bun.
So if you're going to eat, you just cover your nose.
How am I gonna breathe?
How is it? How is it?
Can we? Can we bring that home?
Why? You cannot anymore?
I can't. My tummy's gonna explode.
See, I told you. How?
Then I try my brownie. Wait, look here, look here.
Oh, look at here.
No, look here. Here. Look at here, look at here. Oh my god. 3, 2, 1.
How is it?
Look.
Okay.
Then I bring this home because I'm full and everybody else is full. Hey, share the pasta too. Not that full. Not that full. That is it, guys, for today. For me, with more. It is all done now. So, Let's meet. Bye.